Hello, my name is Geraldo Cardoso de Oliveira Neto. I am from Universidade 9 de Julho. Very happy to present a study about the thematic Resilience and Circularity in the context of energy, water and food, a case study in agriculture. The authors, Varela, Oliveira Neto e Tucci. Post-graduation program of Industrial Engineering, Universidade 9 de Julho, Brazil. World population growth has increased food consumption. Consequently, it requires great production in agriculture. However, agricultural production consumes a lot of water, energy, and pesticides. For example, 70% of the water collected is destined for agriculture. This aspect negatively affects the ecosystems. Thus, it is important to develop strategies based in circular economy, micro-level circular economy by means of adopt clean production. For example, application of the circular economy in the food industry by product manufacture with waste foods, production of vitamin with waste food. It's necessary to adopt clean production. Clean production is eco-efficient too. The use of clean production as a tool for the circular economy contributes with the reduction of the energy, water, and food waste in the agriculture. Thus, it's important to promote circularity of the energy, water, and food waste in the agriculture, contributing with sustainable development. It's important to mention about framework developed Hof, mentioned about actual fields, society, economy, environment. The society is importantly accelerated to access, economic reduction of the costs, environment, reduction of environmental impacts. It's necessary three aspects important: water, energy, food, reduction. Other aspects important are global trends, urbanizations, population growth, climate change. It's necessary to adopt to reduction water, energy, food. For example, it's necessary investment, financial investment, incentives government, and innovation. These aspects promotes water, energy, food security for all, sustainable growth, and resilience productive environments. Thus, the adoption of the micro-level circular economy in agriculture is adopting clean production, promotes reduction of the energy, water, and food waste, contributing with the resilient environment strategy because of it promotes a change in operational attitudes, maintaining the characteristic of the business. Results. Case study in the palm factor promotes reuse of the food waste, water, and energy. Case study was developed by means of interviews and observation. Economic assessment. The results generated reduction costs and return of the investment. Environmental assessment by means of material index factor. The results presented the impact environmental reduction in the water, air, biotic, and abiotic compartments. The conclusion presented theoretical contribution, relationship between energy, water, food, reduction, the aspects, circular economy and clean production promotes sustainable resilience in the food production. Other aspects important, the practical contribution, opportunity of the economic gains, and reduction in environmental impact resulting in green market. Thank you very much.